In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your inventory in QuickBooks. We'll walk through the essential places you'll use every day, so you know exactly where to look and what each area is designed to help you do. Start on the left sidebar and click All Apps. From there, choose Inventory. That opens your inventory settings, which is your command center. You'll see a set of sections that organize your work: Overview, Purchase Orders, Item Receipts, Sales Orders, and Shipping Labels. Think of these as a logical flow, from planning and buying to receiving and selling, and finally to getting products out the door. In Overview, you get a snapshot of how your stock is performing. This is where you can quickly spot what's running low, what's moving fast, and the overall value of your inventory. Use this space to sanity check your data. If something looks off, it usually means quantities, costs, or item details need attention. Keeping item names and SKUs consistent here will save time everywhere else. Next, Purchase Orders is where your buying pipeline lives. This section helps you stay on top of what you've requested from vendors, expected arrival dates, and the costs you're planning for. It's helpful to maintain a clear numbering convention and make sure vendor names are consistent. That way, when items arrive, you can match them cleanly to what you plan to purchase and avoid confusion. Item Receipts is all about what you've actually received. Here you check that quantities match what you expected and that costs look correct. If products arrive in multiple shipments, you'll see how partial receipts line up with their purchase orders. Make it a habit to verify counts and note any differences as soon as goods come in, so your on-hand balances stay reliable. Sales Orders shows what customers have committed to buy. This gives you visibility into demand, which helps you reserve stock and prioritize fulfillment. Keep an eye on promised dates and quantities so you don't overcommit inventory. It's also a good place to spot trends, like items that frequently sell together or products with tight lead times. Finally, Shipping Labels is where you prepare parcels to go out. Accurate addresses, correct package weights, and clear product identifiers help prevent delays. Consistent sender information and a quick review before printing can reduce returns and reships. To recap, head to All Apps, open Inventory, and work through Overview, Purchase Orders, Item Receipts, Sales Orders, and Shipping Labels. Keeping your data tidy and reviewing these sections regularly will keep your inventory accurate and your operations smooth.